Here's how you can quickly create a line of estimation to help create a forecast without having to do an entire regression analysis in Excel. I'm going to use Excel's line_est function to specify my known y's and my known x's. In this example, I've got house square footage and house price. So my known y's, this is the dependent variable, which is the house price. It's dependent on the x variable, which is the housing size in square footage. So those are my known y's and my known x's. I'm going to close this out, and now it returns the intercept value and the coefficient relating to that independent variable. So now I can create my forecast based on that. So I'm going to set up the line in the equation, the formula in the equation of mx+b, so y equals mx+b. So we're taking this value, multiplying it by the square footage, and adding the intercept. Now when I hit enter, now I've got my estimates in there for that specific square footage. I'm going to freeze those values and now copy this formula down. And now I've created my forecast just by using that line_est function and plugging in those values into this equation.